Akhonto mphulaphuli spectacular and DJ names sijikila ngapha no Amaza no Rage kumandi kuyi Friday.
Kunjalo kumanzi phansi Black Friday sikhona apha. Give us a call 089 110 475 Tumeli please call me anyake sikufonela.
Alright yo Londo ufuna ubabuza yona siphenga names Kings of the Weekend balapha studio 089 110 475 hi.
Molina studio.
Yes sir.
Yebo.
Kunjani?
Siphilile singazwa ngawe mfethu.
Kuhle Khulumani man nguAndile kaMkhulu beDanoni man.
Thank you.
Man nilenza njani madoda ixesha lezinto ezininzi kangaka ku DJya, recording company nenza ingoma ngaba nesasaza ngapha. Senzo ixesha lezinto zonke nilenza njani? Senzo kwelixesha lincinci kangaka.
Alright, thank you.
Ngamamelo wayelesini madam.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
089 110 4757. The Kings of the Weekend, spectacular DJ James are in the place to be. DJ James.
Molo madoda.
Molo.
Kunjani?
Right.
Hayi ithori yami ayibambi phone ngoma sendifonele nina kawudani ngama losimthembile abona.
Yeah, I simthembile.
Ayikora.
Ayibambi kunini zama.
Now yazama ukufona so it's fine. What's the question?
Otherwise ngenani brother.
Okay, sure, thanks for that.
Thank you.
Wow. So gqithe immediate.
Hey. Akinayo bezama ukufona.
Oh, izamufona amathini. If it's the Kings of the Weekend. Oh yeah, I know Krabela good. Ikrabela good. Uzokrabela good. Askani pop.
Umhlowenenelo.
Hey, sele umnandi boy.
Pi.
Dimnandi akulimbile kapha.
Yebo baba. What's the question?
Mna into evule khona iware nakamana ufumana amagigi mhlawumbe eseKapa eseGauteng bese Eastern Cape senzo imedi yakho nobethisa ke uzawuza nemali egqibelele the end of the day but senzo inoba mhlawumbe ayikhweleti na so nathi ndifuna ikhonda
Azamamela radio ne.
Thank you.
naza lapha kwalesini sibhekethule
Yeah, the pressure.
Kings of the Weekend spend on names.
Alright. Mina lombuzo lo ukuthi intombi yakhe ithini masoloku ngekho. Labantu laba bakhali mawubekisaka etafuleni.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sayalithulisa konke.
Umshana credit card nihambe uphanga.
Yabo, umsebenzi.
And then lomunye ukukhumbulayo
When you find the time, yeah.
When we find the time, I guess into mawufuna kuyenza uyithanda we-enjoy awuzothola isikhathi. You'll plan to make sure you have enough time to do everything that you want to do.
Because manje usomashishini, right? I-club ngapha, i-record label ngapha, u-DJ, u-artist, ubaba, konke nje.
Aba ngichomi aba now.
Our timing, everything. Timing and planning are very critical to everything. Otherwise, it all falls apart.
Uthatha nge-club.
Yeah, in fact, sizafika lo mcimbi club.
Right.
Xa sibuye evenkileni.
Right.
Uthatha nge-timing.
Yes.
And baninzi abanye abantu mhlawumbe nabo abaqondayo babafuna ufikelela kule level yenu yobu DJ, yobu artist.
Yes.
Yeah. Kwa DJ baninzi ngoDecember ngoku. Ufumana gigs ngapha nangapha. Mhlawumbe uthi ufumana sibe 3 abanye amaxesha.
A night.
Ubuqondo bana uzawubetha ngozip kuzo zonke ixesha linje so. Mhlawumbe ngabacebisa uthini ngoba omnye ufika double booker ezazi bana akazuphumelela kulo gig.
That's why having a strong team, Nakona, is very, very important. Like me and No Names, we sit down and we plan. Okay, so 1 hour la, and then we're going to drive. It's going to take us 3 hours. As budget, 4 hours, just in case there's an accident, there's delays, so we can make it. There's nothing worse than to figure a kicking or 5 extending, everyone's gone, and still usafuna ukuthi bakhokhele imali yakho.
Yeah. Wow. Right. Asibuya yo. Evenkileni sebesiqukumbela madodana nisonwabile kodwa siniphethe kahle. Ixesha labaleka manje.
Manzi kokungani.
Loyiko lwami lo onye qala amadoda azawuthatha umsebenzi wethu.
Yabona ke ngifuna ulungisa lento.
Ilungisa.
Yeah, uReggie akayo consortium. Uzimele yedwa. Andimaze sithi umsebenzi wethu. Yena umsebenzi wami angathi wethu ngoba over pressure wena no amajidam la kanti nosikavela ndithi chance anifuni manje uzakwazi isitishi esikhulu sina 5 point something million chance nithetha ngento bana ni ngosomashishini
yes
ngaphezulu komculo
yes
ningosomashishini bonye yezinto besathi uziva ke mva nje into bani nivula neclub
Yes, impela ethi vula eSoweto eKasi.
Wow!
Nothing in north, like nothing suburban.
Yeah.
Sithi vele ngithi ubumnanda phela elokishini. Ubumnanda phela elokishini. So yes, we're there. Icon Soweto. Tonight is the first preview because like before shy opening umeme media and everyone. Melu test, you know, like are your waiters great? Are your bartenders great? Are your DJs great? So tonight is the first preview. And so we're going to Tina, also going to DJ Tira tonight.
Very
resident.
Yeah. You guys have been to many different clubs across South Africa, but how different is Icon, you know, to Ezinye clubs and second hand?
I'd just like, before we even go there, is that there is no other club in Soweto or before that has been built and looks like the club we have built.
Wow. Siqale
phansi wonke umuntu ozoza lapho uzokutshela ukuthi you siyaqala ukuyibona into esoye elokishini. Yeah. So that's what set us apart, is we're the first of its kind elokishini.
Sophisticated club.
And then mhlawumbe ke ngaphandle kwe clubs eziphi ezinye izinto nibusiness nisebenza kuzo?
We also do a lot of concepts for like my clients from an agency point of view.
Right.
You know, like if Konama concepts are corner, maybe they want to tap into a tertiary market, you know, like we'll conceptualize something that involves us and provide a solution layer like as well. So there is an agency end to us as well. And we've been doing a lot of that kind of consulting over the last 2 years.
Alright, yeah. Madodana inkosi kakhulu masiyabulela masimonela ngokuhle. Masikhuthaza abantu abatsha abamamele mhlambi xa niba motivator abantu abafuna
bantu bakithi, it's very simple. If unento obelieve kiyo wonke amandla wakho mawaphelele kuyo.
Oh, nice.
Uphakamisa ikhanda uqhubeke, indlela ayikho lula. Ayikho shortcut to this thing.
Yeah.
It's taken me 10 years to get into breaking into the market.
Wow.
So to this day I'm 14 years into this game, and I still believe there's still a lot I need to do.
Wow.
So patience and lots of hard work will get you to where you want to be.
Yes. And now I always say these two. One is constantly invest in yourself. Like, you know, like if you want to be a great DJ, practice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Want to be a great radio presenter, talk to yourself, practice, like listen to your tapes.
Yeah.
You know, like correct your errors. Want to be a great driver, drive some more. So whatever you want to do, invest your time in exactly being the best kulondole. And then number 2.
Yeah.
And this talks to spectacular DJ names. Na wonke umuntu ozama ukwenza something nabanye abantu. Teamwork
Makes the dream work.
Wow. Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's all.
Sithi xa sivala unobhala jikelele wesijimbos
Cheers on.
ngumkhuseli wokuzikisa uqiqa.
Yeah, man.
Ndila dude ikwenza uzive good. Yi-hunk ekuphathela i-funk, i-O ene-flow, i-oak egcwele i-smoke, iboni engazoze ikushiye ulonely. Host with the most, amaza njanga ngusijikilanga, Spend on Names, Kings of the Weekend, kumthobela ne-FM enkosi kakhulu siyabolela bethunana. Sithibana nini Monday?
Yeah.
Nini banganibamba eshow?
Saturday Metro
Nathi
6
simenyiwa
p.m.
for the printos Icon.
Akube njalo kumanzi
Suka
phansi.
khona manje siyada.
Sure, sadibana khona.
Alright, yo! Siyamthanda bethunana sishiya kunye noMasigodu ke uKC, uZizo, uBongani, Nqiki, Lloyd kaSheke, kanti naye uArchbishop Jayi ezindleleni. Nikhuseleke le weekend phela sibuya sidibana Monday. Bye bye.
Peace.
Sijilanga no Amaza.